Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And ring the bell.
And thanks to all of our returning subs. We appreciate you so much, and don't forget to give us that thumbs up. It really helps the channel.
I love skillet recipes.
Nothing better than a skillet recipe. They're usually pretty easy, one pan, you're gonna love it. So we are gonna take you back.
Yes.
And show you how it's done.
So we have all of our ingredients laid out here and ready to go.
So we'll head over to the stove.
We have our cast iron skillet on medium heat. We are browning up 1 pound of lean ground beef.
And this is just your 80-20.
And 1 medium diced sweet onion.
Gotta have some onion in there. Then we're gonna use
1 tablespoon of taco seasoning.
And this is just your regular like Ortega taco seasoning. So it's got a lot of flavor already in it, but we are gonna add a few other things.
1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of Jen's favorite red pepper flakes. She loves pepper flakes.
I do, I love it.
And of course, some chili powder.
Yes, now there is some in the taco seasoning, but I'm gonna add a little bit more because we want this to have a little bit more flavor.
Sprinkle all that.
So we'll put about 1.5 tablespoons of that in.
Save some for later.
If you want a little bit more spice, you can add a little bit more chili powder then.
Mix all that together. We are adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic.
And we're gonna let that cook for just a minute or two into that beef. Just get it all mixed in there.
1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies.
And this is undrained.
We use that a lot, don't we, Jen?
We do. A lot of recipes, but it adds so much flavor. And you could get the hot if you wanted a little spicier. This is mild.
1 small can of tomato paste.
And that's just a 6-ounce can. Now you can use tomato sauce, but I want this to be a little bit thicker than regular chili because you've already got the Rotel in there. And plus, tomato paste is always more potent than regular tomato sauce.
Then we are adding some diced green chilies.
And I'm going to put about half of these in.
That will really give it some flavor.
Oh, yeah.
You've got to make this.
Then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of masa.
Or cornmeal.
So we will just mix that in equal parts, 1 to 1, with water.
And mix that into the beef and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes.
And you just want to make sure that gets completely cooked, and that's going to give it another element of that fresh corn taste in there.
Then we are adding 1 can of red kidney beans.
And these are already rinsed.
And I know a lot of people make this during football season, but this would be good anytime.
Oh, yeah. And you could use any kind of beans you want. You could use, pinto beans or whatever bean you want. Black beans.
No chili recipe is complete without the cheese.
That's right.
We gotta have our cheese.
Absolutely.
We are cheese and butter people.
That's right, we are. Got some cheddar jack. So I've already turned off the heat.
Then the main star of the show is Fritos.
That's right. I'm going to put some of those Fritos on here. And you can see we're just going to kind of make layers. Now, some people just put the Fritos on a plate and then put the chili mixture over it. But we're going to do everything in the one skillet.
Gently mix it in around the edges, but not too much. You don't want to break up all the Fritos.
And then we're going to add some shredded cheddar cheese.
Don't this look yummy?
It does. And you can see we're just layering this like a pie. Hence the word Frito Pie.
I love this already. And a few more Fritos. Some more cheese. And we have our oven on broil. We are going to melt the cheese for 1 to 2 minutes.
So we'll check it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It looks so delicious. It smells so good.
Make sure that you check it because it'll burn if you don't keep an eye on it.
I'm ready to eat. Let's just dig in.
Heck, I could just take a fork and dig it right out of this skillet.
It don't take long, does it?
No, it's a very quick recipe. You could do this anytime. It's great for summer.
That's mine. Steve would love this recipe.
Oh, yeah, he would.
We love this kind of thing. And you can add toppings like onion, tomatoes, green chilies.
Oh, yeah.
Sour cream.
All of it.
Whatever you want to add.
Absolutely.
As Steve would say.
Is this the best Frito Pie skillet you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.